Is your warehouse still treating pallet storage and bin picking as two separate problems? Today, we show you how to integrate them into one seamless automated flow. The intelligence starts at the inbound station. Latent APRs deliver the bulk pallets, while an industrial robot palletizes bins onto the conveyor. This is where the relay begins. The gripping ACR picks the bins and secures them in high-density racks. For full pallet storage, the APR relay system moves loads into the heavy-duty high bay area. Every movement is precise, and every location is optimized by AI to ensure 100% accuracy. The real power of this system is the delivery to production. APRs transport pallets, while specialized lifting ACRs relay bins directly to the workstations. The result, goods never touch the ground, and your production line never waits for materials. Beyond storage, the system includes dedicated picking zones and automated inventory counting. As an integrator, we ensure the interfaces between the APR, ACR, and robotic arm are stable, scalable, and risk-controlled. Successful automation is about more than just machines, it's about the integration logic. If you are planning a complex ASRS project, we can help you design the system and manage the delivery. Contact us via our channel homepage for professional project consultation.